Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the security checkup required message and the review your contact info problem on your account. If you are seeing a notification that says security checkup and it's asking you to review your contact information, don't panic. This usually happens when the system detects unusual logging activity, a new device singing, or possible change to your email or phone number. The good news is you can fix this in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the app or website where you're seeing the message. Tap on Security Checkup. Now we'll see an option that says Review Your Contact Info. Tap on it. Step 1. Careful check your email address. Make sure it belongs to you and has not been changed. If you see an unknown email, remove it immediately and add your current on. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Make sure the phone number list is yours. If needed, confirm it by entering the verification code sent to your phone. Step there. Check logging activity or device log at the list of devices that recently accessed your account. If you see any unknown device, your suspension's location, remove it right away. Step 4. Change your password. Create a strong password using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple passwords like your name or birth date. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and protects your account from hackers. After completing all these steps, go back and refresh your account. In most cases, the security checkup message will disappear. If the problem still continues, try logging out and logging back in, or update the app to the latest version available in the United States. This use is very common in 2026 due to increased security updates. So make sure your contacts information is always up to date. Keeping your account security is very important, especially if you use it for business communication or personal data. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips, tutorials, and security updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.